En 1848, la première vague de féminisme traversa l'Europe et s'étenda ensuite aux pays occidentaux. Les femmes revendiquaient leur autonomie. Elles voulaient les mêmes droits garantis aux hommes en tant qu'individus et êtres humains. Des marches et des manifestations eurent lieu. Le suffrage des femmes atteignait les États-Unis. Le droit de vote fut en tête de liste. Le 19 juillet 1919, l'amendement fut adopté par le Congrès. L'année suivante, une vague se propagea à travers les États-Unis pour ratifier l'amendement. Le 18 août 1920, le 19e amendement de la Constitution américaine fut ratifié. 100 ans plus tard, les femmes du parachutisme s'entraînent à célébrer le centenaire avec un record du monde féminin.
The Women's Skydiving Network approached Amy Shimalecki.
Amy et Sarah Curtis, les organisatrices de ce record. Sarah, beaucoup d'entre nous croient encore que nous sommes bien loin de l'égalité homme-femme.
Yeah, one skydive can't change that, but it is the realization of a dream and going after what seems like an unattainable goal for many women who are going to be involved in this project. And I think that that's the important thing, is that you want to dream big, be brave, and go for what you want, and don't be scared. Our goal is to promote women leading brave lives. The 19th Amendment symbolized that happening for not just women in the US, but women worldwide.
Project 19 est un projet d'1 an conçu pour apprendre aux femmes à voler tête en bas en grand groupe. Shazib Blackshear est l'une des 40 capitaines régionales chargées de former et encadrer les femmes en petits groupes partout dans le monde.
I have over 6,000 skydives.
Quand Amy vous a contacté, qu'avez-vous pensé?
There was no way I wasn't going to be a part of this in whatever capacity possible. So when she said, can you be a regional captain, run some camps, be supportive, I was like, yeah, all in, I got this.
Alors, quelle est la première phase?
Because you don't want to just show up to a 50 way. So we're doing like 10 ways, 20 ways, like maybe 22 ways. If you're not used to leaving the plane 3 seconds before the base leaves the plane, you need practice at that. So that's what we're doing in the phase 1, is just like smaller groups of practicing those moves that will then get longer as we add planes and people.
Et dans les phases 2 et 3?
I would imagine phase 2 is gonna be your 40 ways, 2 plane shots for sure. And then phase 3 being the like 60, 80 ways, you know.
Que signifie cet amendement pour vous?
The 19th Amendment now means more to me than it ever did before, because I think I took a lot of women's rights for granted. Looking back at the history of the work that women had to do before me to even get the right to vote, I feel like the amendment doesn't stop at the piece of paper that says we can vote. It says that we need equality all the way around, and we need to keep pushing for it for everybody. We're not just doing it for a record, we're doing it to recognize 100 years of the ability to vote.
Emily Quinn s'entraîne pour Project 19.
I started skydiving in 2011.
Vous enseignez la chute libre. En quoi ça consiste?
Accelerated free fall. You teach people how to skydive.
En 2014, vous apprenez que vous aviez un cancer du cerveau en phase terminale.
Yeah, it's something that's there forever, but granted, challenges in life are always there forever.
Mais vous vous êtes battu et vous revoilà en parachutisme.
Post-craniotomy, pretty much the small circle of people that were left in my life kind of looked at me like, yeah, that's never gonna happen ever again.
Ça nous a pas fait peur de tenter de sauter en parachute après tout ça?
Like, no, I'm totally doing this. Yeah, I was afraid at first, afraid of failure, I guess you could say. Skydiving was it was the only thing I held on to.
Qu'avez-vous pensé quand vous avez entendu parler du Project 19?
After hearing what it was and seeing all these amazing women organizing, I was like, yes, I have to try.
Alors à quel camp allez-vous participer?
In November, January, March, I will definitely be participating in all of them. I've been in like other big way camps, but not a lot of head down ones, so I definitely need to attend those to work on stuff.
Quels sont vos objectifs tout en vous entraînant?
As for head down, like I said, I don't have a lot of experience in head down big ways. Like I've done a couple camps in the past. Kind of have to like alter what I've learned so far with head up and try to use that towards head down.
Sur quoi vous focalisez-vous?
Like maintaining that foundation that a lot of these organizers of the past camps have always made sure to instill in us is the LSD, level slat doc.
Selon vous, quelles sont vos chances d'atteindre ce record?
Right now, in this moment, not at all, because I haven't participated in the camps. I'm new to Big Way, and even though like my last camps with Head Up were recent, you still have to prove that you've still got that. You've got that strong foundation, clean, predictable skydiver.
Vous allez donc vous entraîner au maximum pour pouvoir participer au record du monde féminin.
2020 is my goal for being, yes, on a big head down, women's world record.
Des conseils pour les femmes qui veulent réaliser leurs rêves?
Pound out whatever goals you have and whatever achievements you want. Don't let anything hold you back.
Que signifie pour vous le 19e amendement?
It's opened our minds in general, not just with women, but all walks of life. We all need different ideas, but still come together with them. And I think women being able to put in their 2 cents has started it.
Erika Lopez s'entraîne également pour Project 19.
Just over 1,000 jumps.
Quelle est votre profession?
I am a senior parachute rigger.
Il n'y a pas beaucoup de femmes dans l'entreprise pour laquelle vous travaillez, n'est-ce pas?
Other than the office lady and the cleaning lady.
En 2011, vous avez eu un accident qui vous a éloigné du sport pendant 5 ans.
I went to do a video in Hawaii on the North Shore. This was 2011. And it was really windy and I still decided to jump. And because of that choice, I ended up with the collapsed canopy, spiraling from about 100 feet into the ground.
Vous vous en êtes sorti avec de graves blessures, n'est-ce pas?
I had break in 1, 3, and 5 ribs, one of which punctured my left lung, and then I had a small break in my C7 and my spinous process. At that point, I really believed like I was done.
Mais vous vous êtes remise et avez repris le parachutisme. Dans la foulée, vous avez arrêté de boire.
May would have been 2 years. I'm jumping harder than I ever have, flying harder than I ever have, and I still don't drink.
Et maintenant, vous êtes de retour et vous vous essayez au Project 19.
It's time for me to do what I've always wanted to do in the sport.
Considérez-vous un potentiel échec?
There might be setbacks, even if I don't get on it, I don't care, I'm gonna be there.
À combien de camps de phase 1 avez-vous participé?
I've done 4 so far back to back. The last 4 months, I've done one every month, 2 in Elsinore and 2 in Eloy. I'm doing another one in October.
Quelle est l'ampleur de ces sauts en parachute?
We started with 8 ways to 12s and 17s, and now we're up to 20s.
Selon vous, quelles sont vos chances d'atteindre ce record?
Just as much chance as anybody else who has the safety and the awareness and the drive. And any one of us could be on it, any one of us can make a mistake, and we're just kind of here for the journey.
Que signifie pour vous le 19e amendement?
Man, I could not imagine being told I can't do something because I'm a woman. It just does not compute. We have every other right as anybody else. We make the decisions for our bodies, for our lives, and don't tell me no. It's amazing, and it just goes to show what can happen in 100 years, and just to imagine where we can take it in another 100 years.
Avez-vous des conseils à donner aux autres qui souhaitent réaliser leurs rêves?
Dedicate yourself. Know that you're worth it, because life's short, man. Do what you love.
Le dernier record tête baissée féminin de 2017 battait celui de 2015 avec 2 femmes de plus. Nous espérons que cette année de formation aidera à améliorer leurs compétences pour ajouter 35 femmes au record. Il s'agit du record du monde féminin à 65. En juillet 2020, les femmes de Project 19 prévoit de pulvériser avec un saut en parachute tête baissée avec 100 femmes, dans le but de commémorer le centenaire de la ratification du 19e amendement et le droit de vote des femmes.